Again, another spot where she's been vomiting, and I think, like I said, it's stress. There's some more in the living room. My dad only has a 2-bedroom small townhome, and we've come around the carpet and cleaning the areas, trying to pick them up. This is the bathroom. This is where I keep her water in the shower because she has a tendency to tip her bowl, and with us not coming every day, I didn't want her to be thirsty. So we got a bigger pan for her. And then in the bedroom that used to be mine when I came over to visit my parents, we keep her litter box. And that is where she stays for her business there. The other day we had some feces on the floor outside of the litter box, which is not very usual for her. She usually does do a good job in going to her litter box. And we have been coming every other day to make sure she has some company and clean litter and water and food.